Hello everyone, it's me again, Joey, and today we are going to take a quick look at one of the world's thinnest gaming laptops. At this point of recording, actually, it is the world's thinnest gaming laptop, period. No caveats, no shortcuts, no nothing. It's just the world's thinnest gaming laptop, period. Let's check it out. So this box, quite a big box, just arrived today. And inside this box, you wouldn't really expect that it's the world's thinnest. Alright, so gaming laptops always come in big boxes. I mean, they're huge, they're chunky, they're heavy, but all that changed when NVIDIA released their Max-Q GPUs. So last year, ROG, Republic of Gamers under ASUS, released the world's slimmest GTX 1080 gaming laptop, which was the Zephyrus. And then they followed up with the Zephyrus M. This year, this 2018, ASUS released the new Zephyrus under the code name Zephyrus S. Actually, it's the marketing name, and it's dubbed the GX531. So what this is the world's thinnest gaming laptop, period. So you can have two configurations. One is a GTX 1060 and the other one is a GTX 1070 Max-Q. So what you will get here is something that's really much smaller than your average laptop. So the Zephyrus S is one of the world's first to use a 144Hz and a 3 millisecond response time. That's amazing. Most other competitors only use 7 ms or 25 ms. So there's a lot of tech going inside this box, and what's going to surprise you is that while the box may be big, the actual laptop is actually quite small. So I know you came here to actually take a look at the Zephyrus S itself. So without further ado, let's unbox this thing. The box you will see, okay, so inside the box is the unit itself, and this I think this contains the accessories and the adapter. So this is the box. There's no labels, no nothing, but I'm guessing this is adapter. Okay, so it's a pretty cool box. Okay, so here I think we have the mouse. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, this is Gladius 2. Okay, let's check it out. Impact, sorry, this is a Strix Impact gaming mouse. Okay, so let's put that aside and let's take a quick look at the mouse that's inside. Okay, so this is the Strix Impact mouse. It's RGB, it has Aura Sync, so it can sync with your colors. Okay, this is the power cable, this is the adapter. So this is your 180 watts power adapter to power your GTX 1060 and your Core i7-8750H. So the 1070 version carries a 230 watt power adapter, so it can power all that juice. Now on to the main attraction. Okay, hey, there's a special something that came inside. Okay, hold on. So let's just remove this first. Okay, so this is the box. See? So from the big box, now all we have is this. This is the laptop box. But let's put that aside so that we can see what is this. Oh, that's a wonderful sleeve. So this is a gaming sleeve. Okay, now this I can get behind. So there's a sleeve that comes with the Zephyrus. It's actually quite nice. Okay, so I really like it. I love it. I love it. Nice touch, ASUS. Thumbs up for that one. Okay, so without further ado, let's get onto this box. But let's review the spec first of the unit that we have for. So in the box, where's the spec? Alright, so there's the spec over here. Okay. So i7-8750H, that's 6 cores, 1 terabyte of PCIe by 4 SSD, 24 gigs of DDR4, 2660Hz RAM, 2x2 AC Wi-Fi, so that's double Wi-Fi. That's AC standard. You get 2 USB 3 and 2 Type-C ports, Windows 10 64-bit. And yeah, sleeve and mouse. Alright, let's get on to the unit itself. I'm really excited. Oh, there's a different... You guys have to see the box. There's a different texture feeling. So it's not just design itself. It's a different texture feeling, which is actually the design language of ROG laptops this year. Something that we've grown quite accustomed to since the first Zephyrus. Okay, so unboxing time. There we go. Oh! So like the original Zephyrus, you can see it opens up. It goes up. And that's just not not just for form. Right, so this one, it represents the AAS, or Active Aerodynamic System, wherein the bottom lid of the Zephyrus, which made the Zephyrus popular, is because the bottom part of the lid actually opens up to allow for more air to go in and out. So let's just see what else is inside. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we'll find the usual documentation. So there's also some more freebies inside here. Okay, welcome to the Republic of Gamers. I think this is a keychain. Ah, there. So this is the keychain. G series, safety notices, your warranty card. What is this? Oh, you get stickers. Amazing. Okay, I love that. So I love the stickers. Okay, so anything else? Nothing. Okay, on to the unit itself. So let's peel off the plastic. There. Do you see how thin that is? Do you see how thin that is? That is only 14.9 mm and 2 kilos heavy or light, depending how you think about it. And it carries a full GTX 1060 and 6-core Core i7. Imagine how laptops have come so far to be able to get to this thin. We are used to gaming laptops being 50 mm thin. This is 14.9 mm thin. That's 3 of this in what used to be this thick. Imagine, we've come so far. Hey, so the magic happens when you open it up. Okay, so let me get my balance first. Okay, so when you open it up, the lid opens up. Do you see that? Okay, do you see that? There we go. Okay, so let's take a good look at the laptop first. So you get your two-tone. So it represents the battlefield. So that's the explanation of ASUS. This is where the thermals get blown out. So you have your HDMI here, and you have your Kensington lock. You have your AC port here. You have a Type-C. Sadly, no Thunderbolt. Okay, thumbs down for that one. Okay, you have 2 USB 3.0 port and combo headphone and mic jack. On the other side, you have another USB 3.1, and you have a Type-C with DisplayPort 1.2. I would have preferred a full DisplayPort 1.2 here, but it's okay nonetheless. And there's one more nifty feature about this Type-C port. It actually features power delivery. So what this does is that if you don't have enough juice, you can actually charge this. Okay, as long as you're in Optimus mode. So you can use something like this, the Zen Power Pro power delivery. So you can use this one, 45-watt power delivery charger, and charge your Zephyrus. Yes, this is a power bank, and it can charge your GTX 1060. So it's really amazing. Okay, so I don't know why my strafe mouse. Okay, so let's take a good look at the inside of the laptop. Okay, so there's your design. So one of the reasons why it's so light that I can actually hold it with one hand. So it's so light, the design language, they put it forward so that more air can come up through this space. So this is because of cooling technology. And I'm not a fan of this one, but people say you can actually get quite used to it easily. So this one's RGB, so let's try to boot it up to see if there's no factory charge, unfortunately, but let's take a look at that later on. Okay, so the entire laptop is built out of a single slab of CNC aluminum, so it makes this really rigid. So this laptop has passed US military standards, so it has gone through vibration tests, drop tests, high temperatures, low temperatures, etc. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much it. So this one retails for about $129,995 for the 512 gig and 16 GB version, and the 1 TB plus 24 gig is about $149,995. So what this one actually focused on is the build quality, which is the best in class for something this thin and something this powerful. Okay, so this is the Zephyrus S. We'll take it for a future, we'll take it for a full run. We'll review how it handles daily tasks. So this is a 15.6-inch gaming laptop. It's as thin as Ultrabooks get, but it's powered by a GTX 1060 6-core i7, and it's just really amazing. So I'm fully blown. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Let me know if you have questions, and let me know if you have things that you want me to review in the comment section below. Okay, so thumbs up for this one. It's a really good build. The freebies are quite good, so I love it. So I will take this for a spin for a week or two, and then I'll let you know in another video about how this performs. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Joey Oliver Knockham, so I hope you subscribe or click like and share this video away. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.